Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Ezisolution system. This is actually Ani marketplace located in ASABA, Nigeria. So this is their branch. This is their branch in Okpanam. They have two branches. They have the head office, and they also have the branch. So the head office is in Nebisi in ASABA, while the branch is in Okpanam in the same ASABA. So what the system we set for them is a centralized database using retail man. They are fully using retail man in this Ani marketplace. So we set for them a centralized system where they make sales from the branches, and the branches report the sales automatically to the head office. The branch does not need to take any written note or anything to head office to tell them that this is their sales for that day. All the transactions that they do in the branches report directly to head office automatically. That's the system we have set for them. So if you can take a good look at this place. And the fun part about it is that when I say they are using retail man to the fullest, they are using Ezisolution to the fullest. We also have Octave under this same building. We have Octave, and the Octave, what they run in the Octave is actually restaurant. So they are using ESR in the Octave and using retail man in the supermarket. So this is the supermarket, and this is the Octave. This is the Octave down restaurant where they sell food, and this Ani marketplace where you get your stuff, your cosmetics, your wine, your beverages, your toiletries, and so on. Like this is a one-stop shop. So you can see this on their day of the opening.
So guys,
this is on their day of the opening. So you can look at it. You can see
supermarkets.
Customers are coming in
ASABA.
and going out. Retail man is very fast to attend to customers. So
this
as
is
you can see,
Ani Bakery.
they also have
Ani
a bakery.
This is Ani
also
Bakery.
have a bakery here, which we actually set for them automatically. They can track their floors and the rest using the same retail man that they are
Ani
using.
Bakery.
So this is the bakery. And these are the supermarket and the items in the supermarket,
so
and also
this Ani Bakery.
the staff. You can see all of them are wearing uniform. So this place is located in ASABA, Nigeria, in Africa. So you can see customers are popping in with full force, but still yet retail man is very fast in attending to them. Retail man is very fast when it comes to attending to customers. You can see it is fully configured. You can see the setting. This is retail man accounting software for the supermarkets. So that's it. So don't forget to contact us at Ezisolution. Sorry, at easy-solution.com to get your own license from us. So thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.
That's for the supermarkets, and these are our E3. Still handled with ESR. This is the E3 that's been handled with ESR. So this is the issue that's handled with ESR. No.
This for the down restaurant. So now let's go to the up restaurant that is being handled with retail man accounting software. So this is the up restaurants. That is being handled with retail man accounting software.
Ravi. Softly. It was actually nice. Yes, yeah.